Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze AUDUSD and I am going to give you a long-term trade AUDUSD for your long-term trade opportunity. So I am in a daily chart AUDUSD. You can see the pattern. This pattern technically I am already drawn this pattern. This is like a bearish flag pattern. That's the bearish flag pattern. Price will be dropped to the downside. That's the technical picture I have. I am seeing USAUD USD. So this is the daily chart. So I am going to move to the global interest rates website. What is the economic data against Reserve Bank of Australia RBA? RBA is currently 3.6 interest rates. So last interest rate was released last week. The RBA hold the interest rate in 3.6. That's they are neutral with the interest rate, not interest rate hike in last interest rate release decision. So the RBA, Reserve Bank of Australia, hold the interest rate positions in 3.6. so that's the Australian dollar getting to depreciate against dollar. That's the I am seeing in economic picture in long term for next month and next few months. Australian dollar will be depreciate against US dollar. US dollar currently in 5% interest rate and they are going to more hikes in next interest rate decision in May. So that's the economic picture. That's the US dollar demand against Australian dollar. That's the economic view. I am seeing this pair AUD USD. So AUD USD I am seeing sell opportunity, sell trade for your long-term sell opportunity. So this is the pattern daily chart I am seeing is the bearish flag pattern. So that's I am seeing this level. This is the I am seeing the price will be dropped to the this level to this below level. So that's the long term. My targets is below level. That's the long term targets. Your short term target is there. That's the trade I am seeing AUD USD. So long term trade opportunity, sell opportunity. That's the I am seeing technical and economic view in this pair. So you can get the technically sell trade in this pair. So this is the I am seeing the technical picture. So I'm like to go into the 4-hour chart for more technical picture, more technical analyzing. So price in this range and this is like a drop base drop and break this trend line below and price going to the downside. That's the picture I am seeing AUD USD. Your first short term target is there and your second short term target is there. So that's the sell opportunity AUD USD. You can get the trade from the smaller time frame confirmation and money management. Well, my Telegram link is below for your accurate trade signals. So thank you very much.